My brother work in a bank. 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 It's a secret. It's a secret. It's a secret. Can you help me, please? 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 They rejected my proposal. 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 I will be here from Monday to Friday. 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 He went from New York to London. 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 The majority voted against me. 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 A majority voted against the bill. A majority voted against the bill. A majority voted against the bill. They visit us from time to time. 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 I am short-tempered. I am short-tempered. I am short-tempered. I regret having said so. 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 This is my first trip abroad. 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 They greeted me with a smile. They greeted me with a smile. They greeted me with a smile. I guess he is 30 years old. 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 Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Or we can say, do not stop. Do not stop. He is practicing the piano. 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 Sooner I will have an exam. Sooner I will have an exam. Sooner I will have an exam. I have to prepare myself for the exam. I have to prepare myself for the exam. I have to prepare myself for the exam. It's not with that bad. It's not with that bad. It's not with that bad. Or we can say, it is not with that bad. It is not with that bad. You should follow your doctor's advice. 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 This song is very popular in England. 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 It's very hot today, isn't it? 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 He told me he knew my uncle. He told me he knew my uncle. He told me he knew my uncle. These are their books. These are their books. These are their books. I don't know where my phone is. I don't know where my phone is. I don't know where my phone is. Or we can say, I do not know where my phone is. I do not know where my phone is. I think no one can solve the problem. 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 It's complicated. It's complicated. It's complicated. It's complicated. Can I get to know you better? 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 Where have you been last night? 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 Were you out yesterday? 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 My father's hobby is fishing. 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 Don't be naive. Don't be naive. Don't be naive. Or we can say, do not be naive. Do not be naive.